You like it?
Yeah, it's pretty.
I'm happy you like it. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. My lip looks so shiny. I don't have on any lipstick this morning. I have on just lip gloss. And can you guys tell that I'm not a morning person? It's 6 a.m. and I'm up and ready and heading off to work, which is not the norm for me. This is something new. I don't used to it. I used to be in bed until the minimum 8 o'clock at least. So I used to be sleeping by 8. I used to be up by 8 because that's the time when Tyler normally wakes up. But on this particular day, as of today, every week on this particular day, I'll be up at this time because I have to reach work early on this particular day. So the boys are still sleeping and I am about to head out in a bit, but first I'm catching some tea because I am not a morning breakfast kind of person. So I'm just having some tea just to make sure that something is in my stomach. And yeah, that's what's going on right now. I don't know if Babe will vlog a bit before he leaves, so you guys will see him and Tyler. But if not, you guys will see us when I pick up Tyler from Jen later and run some errands before I head back home. So I'm having some breakfast, heading off to work. Make sure you guys have a wonderful day. This is all new to me, but I guess I'll get used to it after a time. I still want to sleep. I'm only on 5 hours rest because I went to bed after midnight yesterday because everything is just so unexpected and so new to me. So yeah, that's as of right now, but I'm embracing it. I am embracing it very, very much. And you just gotta do what you gotta do when you gotta do what you gotta do, right?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? On va voir Tata? Tata? On va aller voir Tata? Oui, on va voir Tata. Allez, getting ready to see Tata, okay? Okay.
Hi faves, you guys. I just left work and on my way to Jen's to pick up Tyler, and then I need to go and find me something to eat, and I need to find me something to eat, and then I need to go in town to buy like a little school bag for Tyler because he'll need it for crash because he starts his 1 hour tomorrow. So I need to do that. So yeah, that's what I am up to right now. Thank God for Jen, because if it wasn't for her, I don't know what I would do about today. I'd probably have to give up this opportunity that I got today. So I'm really grateful that she was able to help out in a situation of need. I really appreciate her for that, and I give thanks because it wouldn't have been possible without her, honestly. But yeah, I'm just about to go pick up TB right now. It's good when you have friends that you can call and in time of need and they're there for you, you know. I'm honestly humbled, but yeah, give thanks. Who is that? Who is that? Tata? That's Auntie Jane? That's Auntie Jane? My gosh. Man, you're a savior, Jen. Oh gosh. Thank you so much.
How did it go?
It went good.
How did it go? It went good here too, innit?
He did. He behaved himself.
Oh Lord. Jumping. Jumping. Standing.
You're dancing. Hey, 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 hey,
We was
hey,
dancing.
hey.
Clapping our hand. And then he was jumping. And then he was excited. Watch. I'm here trying to sleep. And watch this now.
Is your glass are gonna break?
He asked me first, you know. He asked me every time. Jump. Oh no, Mama.
God, too cute, the two of you.
Lord. Give me a kiss.
Give Auntie a kiss. Look at you.
Oh, no.
Ah, it just warms my heart. If not need me. But which one of these you like? I'm trying to find a bag for Tyler. You like this one? Or you like this one? Which one you like? Which one you prefer? Ah, you like that one? Or you like this one? Look. Ty, you like this one? No? You like it? Car? Or you like this one? Which of them you like? Which of them you prefer? Which one? No? He pushed them away. I don't think he likes any of these. This one? You like this one? Yeah? Ah, you like this one? You like this one? You like Peppa Pig too? Like Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig? Which one you like? Blue? Which one you prefer? Like this one? Yeah? Doggy? Woof woof? Wow! Ah, Thibaut! Oui! Wow! You have a bag on? Yeah, on your back. You go to school. And go to school. Wow! Look! Look, Tyler! Wow! No? Pourquoi? Why? You don't like it? Hey guys, so I'm at my favorite chill alone spot. So green, and I'm having a vanilla chocolate frappe, which I love so much, giving me some energy right now because I haven't really eaten anything all day. But on another note, you guys know that I'm a sucker for surprises, and today is no different. Funny enough, Babe and I have this thing in the house where he have a paper and I have a paper, and on my paper he writes all the things that he wished to have at whatever point I choose to get it for him, and on his paper is vice versa. It's things that I wish to have at whatever point he decides to buy it from me, no specific day. So something on his list that I have that I went and got him today, and I'm not going to even show you guys until baby's seen it. So he's going to get a huge surprise today. He's not expecting this at all because I didn't leave the house to go and buy anything or whatnot, but that's what surprises are for, right? So I'm gonna give him a surprise later when he gets home. I don't know if I'm going to reach home before him or we're gonna go home together, but it's almost 5 p.m. so I'm sure he's going to not want me to leave him, but let's see. So yeah, got a surprise for babe, got Tyler bag, went to work. So today's just a perfect day. Everything worked out just fine, and give thanks. The day is going really good. Now I need to go home and make dinner for the fam bam. And Tyler is here drinking frappe. There he is. Love frappe? The straw is bigger than you. I am back home finally, off of the road, and of course I'm in my favorite spot. I'm in the kitchen making some dinner for babe and I, and tonight I'm twisting it up a little bit. I'm making some fish vegetable soup. Let me show you guys what that looks like right now. Bubbling. So in here I have tomatoes, I have carrots, I have broccoli, I have corn, and I have some soup noodles. So as you can see, that's what's going down tonight, and that's what babe and I are gonna have for dinner.
Well, that there will be no Game of Thrones tonight. What is that? It's not good. It's for me? A tie? I have no idea what it is. Sandra was so high. Okay, nice. This is to put on the. This is to put on the shirt. Nice.
There's another box in there, babe.
Yes, this. What a surprise. Cool. Nice. Nice.
You wasn't expecting that?
Hmm?
You wasn't expecting that?
When I saw the things and I said, what is it?
You like it?
Yeah, it's pretty.
I'm happy you like it. I had to get you something today and send to him. We've been going through so much lately. I want to see you smile. You like them?
They're very pretty, they're nice.
I'm happy you like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my love. Okay, you guys, my surprise is well executed. And Tyler's excited too, aren't you? You want to be in the picture? Come, group hugs. Kiss, kiss. Alright, Jesus. Tell her, say bye. I love you. Bye. Bye. Give them kisses. Mwah. Yes. Anyway, you guys, bye. We're going to just go ahead and end today's vlog. Puzzle, do the puzzle. He's obsessed with puzzle. What's the Jamaican expression going to be tonight? A fimi man. If you hear a Jamaican say a fimi man that, they're simply saying that the man is mine.
And how you say the woman is mine?
A fimi girl that.
A fimi girl that. That's the French expression today. A fimi girl.
So say it in French.
No, we don't have a French.
So say the nice way in French. That's my wife or that's my girl.
That's my wife. C'est ma femme. I never said
Say it. No.
C'est ma oh, my wife.
Wait, cause Tyler. Yes, baby. Show your puzzle. Show your puzzle. Do the puzzle. Puzzle.
So the French expression for today would be c'est ma femme. C'est ma femme just simply means that's my wife.
Alright, you guys. So there you have the c'est ma femme. So there you guys have the Jamaican expression real quick and the French expression, and we're going to go ahead right now and have dinner and spend the rest of the evening just unwinding from all this tiredness and hectic day. All right, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Say bye. Bye.